We'll talk about whose responsibility it is when it comes to caring about code quality. We all care about code quality, at least we say so, but when it comes to projects, whose responsibility is it really to care about code quality? Well, one of the reasons to care about code quality, we discussed quite a few of them in the previous presentation on this topic, but the first law of programming says lowering quality is the easiest way to increase the development time. We can take shortcuts. We can try to get things done really fast. We can drop quality along the way. But it turns out that if we do that, it actually takes more time to develop software projects. In one of the recent books, Capers Jones, the book title is called The Economics of Software Quality. He talks about how lowering quality actually costs 30% more at the least in developing projects. So when it comes to projects, we need to take time to really develop quality, and if we don't, it backfires on us and it actually takes more time and more money to develop products. But of course, quality doesn't come for free. It takes about 50% more time and money to really put in quality. But that time, extra time and effort we spend in, I don't even know if you want to call it extra time, that time and effort we spend in to put into quality pays off greater dividends as we develop the product, especially when we have to maintain the application. So there is a strong economic underpinning to really develop better quality software and to write better quality code. We looked at a number of reasons to have quality earlier, but whose responsibility is it to develop quality? But after all, isn't there a QA department with the word quality in their title already? So isn't it that they have to care about quality and not us, the lowly programmers who are being beaten down to deliver quality, to deliver code real quick? Well, it turns out the poor guys in the testing are really not able to get to the real testing itself. All that they are bothered with is how the code just simply doesn't work. If you really think about it, do we really want the people who are the testers to keep coming back to tell us that our code really sucks? It doesn't even really do the minimum things it should do? Not really. If we can deliver a better quality code to them, then they can focus on real testing. Whether the code is serving the business need, whether the application is usable, whether it is intuitive, how is the performance, does it handle various different cases? Can we think about other features that would provide value? The quality assurance department really shouldn't be bothered about whether the code actually works. And when they come back with enhancements and suggestions, the quality of code we develop helps us to really turn around and provide that change to them. And if we don't deliver quality product to them in the first place, we cannot turn around and make those improvements. So it is our responsibility as programmers, and it is our professional responsibility as programmers. Sure, we are being driven down by various pressures. The management want us to deliver product quickly. The customers want it yesterday. The testers are asking if we are done. Everybody around us wants us to move faster and quicker. But it is our professional responsibility to think about quality. It is not our job to run really fast in every direction we are asked to. So think about, for example, you sitting in a car. You are sitting in the back seat, and what are you telling the driver? Where do you want to go? If the driver says, "Can I take you some other place?" Well, you would chuckle and say, "No, I really want to go to this place. That's where I'm really interested in going." And so you decide as the customer in the car where to go. Now, on the other hand, if you sit in the back seat and say, drive faster, driver, take the left turn, take the right turn, go on the shoulder," the driver, the good driver, should pull over and kick you out of the car and say, "Take some other vehicle. I'm not going to do this. I'm not going to drive like a maniac." A good driver cares about safety and other considerations. So the driver is professionally responsible to take us there safely, but we are responsible as customers to tell where to go. Similarly, on software projects, the customers have to tell us where to go, and it's our professional responsibility to take them there with quality. Sure, We can speed up not by lowering quality, but by eliminating work we otherwise don't have to do. But it is our professional responsibility to deliver quality. The evidence is overwhelming about quality, and yet as organizations, we never have time to do it, but we always have time to redo it. And we have to put an end to that lack of quality and work towards developing quality applications. In later presentations in this topic, we'll talk about what can we do as individuals and what can we do as team and how can we improve quality. But we have to first come to the terms that it is our professional responsibility to deliver quality products.